More than 10,000 people hit the streets of downtown Vancouver this morning for the city's second largest half marathon. The Lululemon SEAWHEEZE is held to celebrate the running community, both locally and around the world. Nearly half of this year's participants are from other parts of Canada and the U.S. The runners got going at 7 o'clock. The event is expected to wrap up shortly. A number of roads downtown are fully or partially closed, but traffic should be back to normal soon.
We have the CB Sunset Festival at Brockton Field. It's going to be an incredible celebration for our runners and our community. Gates open at 4:30. We have a really incredible yoga class with one of our ambassadors, and then an amazing concert following. So it's going to be one of the best days of the summer.
And apparently there's a beer garden set up at the finish line as well.
Best way to end it.